Good morning. This is me, Elior Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional. So, that SEO, search engine optimization, is an important aspect of anyone's digital marketing strategy. There are many case studies which can show you, or many researches which can show you that 1 out of 3 people, like 33% of the website traffic, is coming from search engines. I have seen scenarios and case studies where 2 out of 3 people were from search engines, and if you include YouTube search as well, it's going to be even more percentage share of people who are coming directly from search to your website. And many people are spending huge and huge on their SEO efforts, traffic. They hire agencies, they hire personals to do SEO stuff. So what if I tell you an amazing plugin which can boost your website rankings in SEO and can help you with content optimization, content growth, and SEO growth for your website? Then you have to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to explain you about an amazing plugin plus an awesome deal to buy in case if you want to buy it, which can help you in optimizing your website in search engine, resolving out issues for your search engine, correcting issues, doing technical SEO, optimizing your website, fixing those errors which usually people cannot get aware of or requires too much manual work to find out, such as broken links. People cannot usually find out those, and it can help you. It can also advise you on content optimization. It can also help you with keyword research, finding new niche, finding new areas, finding new low competition keywords, which can further enhance your rankings in the eyes of the search engine, especially Google. So let's get started on the tool I'm going to tell you. And in case if you are looking for a lifetime deal for that plugin, there is a link in the description through which you can get one. So the tool is over here, and the tool is with the name of Squirrly. Squirrly is without a doubt a very good tool, and if you see over their website, you can see that they revolutionize your SEO efforts with Squirrly SEO, WordPress plugin, and SaaS. SaaS means software as a service, and SaaS Squirrely is the only software that gives you the complete SEO funnel. It can help you in AI guidance. It can help you in finding focus pages. It can also help you in finding out the page focus of the page, because with the rank graded technology now, search engines take the idea from the concept of the article, and this software can help you exactly finding out the focus of that keyword or the expected keywords on which your website can rank on. It can also help you with advanced keyword research and analysis, can find you keyword research, search volume, and competition analysis. And the best thing is about it's not only in English, but it works with 140 different languages. That is a huge number. And you can see over here how this is running on. And if I tell you about the content optimization, like I have told you before, that it can help you with content optimization as well. It can help you provide you real-time SEO feedback, can give you ratings percent, and also help you in optimizing the structure. I believe that more than the content, how do you present your content matters a lot, and it can help you in optimizing your content structure. It can help you in helping you with front end builder. It can help you with different builders if you are using to create your website theme. Many people use Elementor, some Oxygen, Gutenberg, Classic Editor. So you get a huge list to work on, and then you also get complete page audits and report. So which makes your SEO work quite easy and quickly. And you can also help, it also helps you in tracking down of your performance. Like you can get detailed SEO audits, like I told you, performance scores, issues on your website, broken links, images missing with alt tags. It can also help you in tracking your website rankings for certain keywords with different performance matrices. And then you can also view top ranked pages, and you can compare it with your website, like what is on the main ranking website which you do not have it, and then it can suggest you few changes based on those results, so you can add those and get your website rated upwards. And if you scroll below, you can see that it can be easily integrated with WordPress and with Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and any plugin you are going to use. And it also supports AMP and many other things as well. And the best thing is that it has been awarded 2 years in a row as the best AI artificial intelligence tool. You can see over here as well. So what I'm going to tell you is, first of all, look more on their features, and you can see over here about the SEO audits, bulk SEO, rank checker, plugin tool. I'm going to show you almost everything so you guys have an idea, and then I'm going to give you an amazing deal in case, and also give you the real pricing as well, so you can get to know that how you're going to get an amazing deal. So it has a lot features, so it's going to be take time for me to open everything. You can see over here how many plugins it has, how many features it has, which makes it an amazing plugin to be used on. And I haven't seen such a detailed AI plugin before, and this is one of the reason that this plugin got best award for 2 years in a row. I can understand that Squirrly got it for 2 years in a row due to ample of functions. So you can first of all see the SEO audit, and you can see over here how they provide you with audit. Audit also helps you in analyzing blogging, SEO, social traffic, links authority, how much traffic you are getting from which source, and then you can also get hourly report as well, and you can also have a number on how your website is standing on. Uh, you can also analyze on the pages. You can block, you can see the different aspects over here as well, uh, how it's being analyzed. You can, or they also analyze your weekly traffic compared with the last week, this week, to see if you are improving or decreasing. Then help you with duplicate titles, descriptions, empty title, empty descriptions, title tag, description tag, meta keywords, page load time, current index status of your URL in the Google or not. And there again there are a lot of things as well, such as help you with finding out top shared pages for your website, which pages got the most share, and you can understand through that which kind of pages people are liking on your blog, and then you can create information relevant to it. You can have see whether your share buttons in your articles can help you in getting more shared or not. So it's a kind of a heat map work this are also providing. And then you can also find social signals you have received so far, Twitter card implementation, Open Graph Protocol implementation. You can analyze your backlinks. You can also analyze backlinks with no follow. You can analyze your authority. You can also analyze the authority of the links coming to your website, and you can also analyze the links, authority of the links going from your website to other websites. So you have full control over audited pages, and you can compare multiple audits all in one panel. And then now coming to the second aspect over here, and that is an bird eye view of your site overall SEO optimization with bulk SEO. And now with bulk SEO, you can see over here that you can find out the pages, visibilities, meta, open graph, Twitter card, to see where you are ranking on social networks. You can see over here as well, and it also can help you in identifying possible mistakes. And I have seen that even the meta uh, impact have a huge impact. Even the structured snippet have a huge impact, and you can see over here meta tags, structured snippets. It can help you in ranking your website. And then now coming to the next feature, and that is about rank tracking. So you can track your Google rank, and you can have a constant eye on your rankings across multiple countries to see if you are improving or decreasing. It can help you analyzing that the efforts you are doing for optimizing your website are actually working out or not. And then you can also see over here like how many social shares, clicks they are getting. So it can also help you in understanding the titles or the keywords you are using are SEO friendly or not, and can help you in getting more CTR or not. So that is another advantage. Now Squirrely's next advantage is blogging assistant. It provides access to advanced research solutions for writers. So when you are writing, they provide you with different research tools such as photos, twitters, wikidata, relevant blogs, and your previous articles. So you can include them as your case study or your research. It can, I am a big fan of internal linking, because internal linking also helps you in increasing your traffic and authority, and I want my visitor to access multiple pages rather than just visiting a simple page. So it also helps you with this as well, and can help you with ample of data, even provide you with copyright free images, reference and trending topics, even relevant tweets information which you can add on, and wiki stuff as well. And then again, stuff from your past data. So it can be very beneficial in case if you are a very a consistent writer. And then now moving on to the next function of it also works as an SEO virtual assistant. So it gives you a green light, like there are certain checks which has like is the article human friendly or not, is the article has meta tags, all tags present or not, if the article has any broken links, the if the article meets the ideal title length of the title, ideal character length of the title, if the article meets the ideal description length, keyword has been used, the intent has been followed or not, all tags have been used. So it has around a lot of stuff which has increased the readership by over 285%. So I believe that this is a very good thing, because not only it helps you in optimizing SEO but also optimizing your user experience, which makes your article easy to be readable by many people. And then you can optimize your content for multiple keywords. With the same article you can work on multiple keywords. So this is another thing which I like about this tool. And now there is another aspect as well regarding this tool, and that is regarding the missing link in your keyword strategy. So what does this do is it can help you in saving your top keywords and can provide you with that data on how many articles you are producing with your relevant keywords. And you can organize them, structure them, and you can also show your keyword optimization history. And then it can also help you in finding out from out of your targeted keywords how much on those keywords where you are ranking. And then you can get information like which kind of pages Google are ranking, and then you can create a similar content to that. So which is another good addition as well. You can see that this I mean this plugin has so many features, I haven't seen such as, like you can visualize your SEO progress, celebrate your achievements, you can see graphs, you can see over here how you are increasing page engagement process, page traffic, page authority, if the page authority is increasing or not, social state stats, rank increasing, keyword ranking evaluation, because it constantly monitoring your website for those results. And then there is another one which is with the name of that not only this but also other top SEO experts have recommended this. Even I got my SEO certification back in 2006, and it's 2020, it's the end of 2023, and you must be watching this article in end of 2023 or 2024 or beyond. So this is a great addition over here as well. And then it also helps you in doing keyword research. You can find untapped market, untapped highly relevant low targeted keywords. Then you can find on your country targeted, like it can help you in finding local keywords as well which are being used in your local location. And then they have 140 plus countries to choose from, that is a very big list. And then they provided amazing long tail keywords, you can see over here as well. And you can see that it also provides you with like decent ranking chances, very high ranking chances, moderate ranking chances. So you are also getting the option of estimation on how many chances you are going to get if you are going to write an article on this. And also provide you with see with search, discussion, also top fact questions as well. If you can add on those, it can also help you in ranking. And then it also helps you in optimizing your SEO, because it's being set up in minutes, and it constantly evaluate your website for any possible errors, issues. So your SEO work is going to be semi automated. And then it can provide you default tools in case if you want to have a similar descriptions. So it can help you in automating that process as well. But because the tool is constantly monitoring everything, so it has made your SEO like work in an automation. And then now coming to the focus pages, the assistant who maps the road to better rankings for every single page. Always there are different things, and I have told you about focus pages as well. And then if you find out if the pages has a less focus, you can work around on those pages and get it ranked. You can see over here that this one has a 100% chance to rank, and this one is currently ranking. So it can help you in finding out the focus and how provide you with suggestions so that you can rank on those keywords easily. So it's just a 14 days journey to rank your website. Even it provide you with, you can see over here, uh, it can provide you with open graph, I have told you about that, and then social media matrix you can see over here, and then SEO snippets I have told you before as well regarding the structured snippet. You can see over here that structured snippets help you in better ranking on Google. You can see over here as well the data. So it actually optimizes your website so that it even because majority of the people haven't done a structured snippet, and this can help you easily doing it. Then provide you with XML sitemap, then semantic SEO markup, which can even further enhance your display. You can see over here like this one, if you someone searches and then there it comes on the right side. So the semantic SEO can help you in building more authority, trust, also helps you increasing your CTR, and then you are getting duplicate uh, titles and descriptions being removed just with a click of a button. Now if you going to start your 14 days journey for a better ranking with this tool, so if you look ordinary on their pricing, you are going to see their plans starting from $20 to $75, but I'm going to give you a lifetime deal. So make sure to click on the link in the description and you are going to land it over here, where you are going to get this amazing plugin for even 92% discount at $69 with a lifetime deal, where you do not have to pay again, and it's a one time offer only for my audience. You can see over here as well, it's best for bloggers, marketers, small businesses. It can be integrated with Facebook Pixel, Analytics, Pinterest, WordPress, and it's a better alternative to RF, used, rank math, and it's a GDPR compliant, AI compliant. So if you ask me, my personal suggestion is to use Squirrly SEO and enhance your results with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. And if you're looking for a deal, don't forget to click on the link in the description to get an amazing Squirrely lifetime deal. Good luck to rank your website in 14 days.